Hey everybody, what is going on? Welcome to episode number 13 of the plane spotting series. We are going to have an excellent plane spotting video coming on this YouTube channel, guys. I am so happy to make this 13th episode already of the plane spotting video. So right now it is currently the afternoon before we go plane spotting tomorrow. Let me just turn the camera around. Tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, is my birthday. I'm turning 26 years old, and I'm not sure who did this, but somebody at my flight school booked me a flight lesson with my favorite flight instructor, and I am just super, super excited to fly tomorrow. It is going to be epic. I'm just really just a happy person. I love flying, and my life is just awesome, guys. So we're definitely going to make a plane spotting video tomorrow, and we're going to do the phone and everything tomorrow. But I just want to let you guys know I like to start the intro videos the night before of the plane spotting. But with that being said, I hope that you guys do enjoy this plane spotting video. I will see all of you. I'll see all of you guys tomorrow at Aurora Municipal Airport. Ciao. What's up, everybody? It is Maria Hidos. Welcome back to the plane spotting episode. Right now, let's just look at my iPod, because right now, I'll explain to you guys later. 4:23, we are going to leave for Aurora Municipal Airport in about maybe half an hour, a little longer, because I'm working on, I don't know how well you guys are seeing it, but I'm working on restoring something from iCloud, and I have a lot of crap on iCloud, and so I'm restoring, because I actually today switched carriers with my cellular company. I used to be with Verizon Wireless, but now I'm with AT&T, and so I have unlimited talk, text, and definitely unlimited data, and I'm so excited about this. So, as you can see, you got the AT&T logo there, everything. So I'm waiting for this to load right now. It takes so long just to literally load all the apps. With that being said, guys, yeah, this is the current time. Let's just do the weather on the iPod Touch this time. I'm going to have to do the weather this time on this, just because that thing is trying to do a restore. So hang on. There we go. So current weather conditions right now is a high of 76 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to be around 7. It'll be sunny. It'll be nice weather to go flying today. Temperatures are looking really, really good for flying. And we're going to get to the airport early so we can go ahead and, yeah, do some plane spotting today and stuff like that. Yeah. So that's basically the weather today. And yeah, I'm really excited about my new carrier, guys. This is going to be epic. Like I said, I have not texted or done anything yet because I'm trying to set up this phone. And the thing is, it still has about like 3 minutes left because it's restoring from iCloud. But yeah, that's what's going on. I'll see you guys when we arrive at Aurora Municipal Airport. See ya. Alright, let's take a look at these aircraft, guys. Alright, same procedure as last time. We're going to go to all 3 flight schools. Not too much activity going on today. Same plane has been here for days, guys. I don't understand. Maybe it's main airport is here now. I don't know. I haven't seen that plane in a while. Guys, you'll see Simplify. There is a jet outside right now. Oh my god, the jets are literally all there. Hold on. There's some more aircraft down there. Alright, guys. So today, I don't know what's going on. I know we're having a flight lesson, but I don't know where we're going to go or anything. My instructor texted me and said he's changing the flight lesson at 7 o'clock. I'm like, oh, just wonderful. I don't mind, actually. The later the better. Alright, we are about to arrive at the Juliet Alpha side, guys. Hold on. There is a couple of planes over here. And then we're going to go look at Simplify. Then I don't know what I'm going to do. There really isn't too many aircraft out right now. Oh, God. How are we going to spend the rest? Oh, I got to get the J bathroom scene. But I think I'm going to get that a little later. I'll get it like 6:30. Because go before my flight. So, guys, I do apologize for not being too many aircraft. It's such a nice day. I don't understand why. I got to check on my phone and make sure it's fully charged. Because, like I said, I am charging it inside my backpack in a Mophie. So, not sure how safe it is to charge it inside a bag. But, yeah. Oh, shoot. There's the same aircraft we always see every plane spotting episode. Alright, guys. Let's do this. There we go. There it is. There's the plane. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our flight to Simplify. Current weather conditions are a high of 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Wind seems to be pretty cold. I can't even do it because this joke is too funny. Yeah, we are now on final approach for Simplify Airport. Oh, I just love doing this. Every time I come down this path, I just have to do this. I hope that you guys do like that thing too. We're almost at Simplify. Let's take a look at these aircraft that are here. Look at this, guys. I don't even know what that is. I've always wondered what it is. It's like a little key card thing for the flight instructors. You just type in your code and then you can get in. I don't have a code. The only thing I have is a camera. I don't know if that's any good. Let's see. Oh, look, guys. There we go. I'll zoom that camera right in. Oh my God, there are 2 Remoses. There's one right there. 1 Remos. I don't know if that's a Remos, but there are 2 Remoses there. Oh my God. Hope they don't get mad at me filming the plane. There you go. I wonder if the plane I'm going to fly happens to be out, guys. Okay, I don't know what that noise was. I might take a picture of it for Instagram, so I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I tried to get a good Instagram photo, but it may not have turned out as good. Let's take a look at this flight school. Let's zoom into that hangar. You guys can see that jet. I see that jet. What a big jet. Jeez. Alright, let's go this way. Look at those jets. Zoom the camera in. Let me zoom in. I'm sure my camera will get it if I zoom it in. Finally, some action's going on. Finally got action, guys. Finally, there's action. I didn't think anything like this was going to happen today. Oh, thank you, plane, for coming here. That made my video just more interesting. Alright, guys. Here you go. There you all have it. Oh, I think Luminaire's having a flight, guys. One of the planes. I think we should go get video of it, because I think the door's open. Of that Cessna. We should go get a video of it taking off. Alright, guys, we're going to get this on video because I think they're having a flight. I'm so excited. It's been a while since I filmed a Luminaire plane, so we'll see what happens. Oh, by the way, guys, Luminaire is just another flight school, if you guys are wondering. It's just, there's Luminaire, there's JA, and Simplify. I think it's the only 3 flight schools around here. So, yeah. Alright, let's go up this thing here. Okay, sorry about that. Only because I didn't want to trip. Alright, guys, let's cut here and we'll film this thing. Alright, guys, I hate when you hit record and it makes that noise. Okay, guys, I think he's by himself. Hold on, I got a better idea. Guys, because I don't want him to see me film. Hold on. I'll just watch, maybe wait till he gets in. Sorry, guys. Wow, that Cessna does look a lot different than what I fly. The plane I fly doesn't have room for passengers. Yeah, that plane's getting ready for flight, guys. I think I'm just gonna film like this, lens zoomed all the way out. I don't know, because it's just because I feel weird about this. Why did this tree branch just literally fall? Okay, sorry. I don't want to film that guy, I really wouldn't. Okay, now I can film because the truck's in the way. I wonder, this thing takes Jet A fuel. Oh wow. These planes take Jet A fuel. The plane that I fly actually takes like the plane I fly takes automotive fuel. I'm not even joking. Oh, did you guys see that? He actually did with the wings. This is called pre-flight. I'll zoom in a little bit. There, that's good enough. That's called pre-flighting the plane. Sorry guys, if I'm filming awkwardly, I'm sorry. I don't want him to know. So, a lot of times you're going to see me do this. Like, I'm so nervous doing this right now. Sorry, guys. Maybe I should wait till he's inside. Yeah, because right now, if he sees me... I wonder if these people burp the propellers like we do. Sorry, guys, for this horrible filming. I just don't want to get him. Zoom out. I think I hear a plane somewhere else. Oh shit, you actually have to climb the top of the plane. That's crazy. Sorry guys, I really am. That's the one thing I didn't like about it, is you had to climb the top of that plane. Just to get... Oh my god, that's like one thing I hated. I think there's another plane. I think I hear a plane, guys. I thought I did. Maybe not. Okay. Sorry, guys. I thought I heard a.
Have a good one. Looks like it'll be nice.
Sorry, guys. You know what? I think we're gonna cut here, and when he gets in the plane, we'll film. Oh shit! A plane's taken off, and I'm missing it. I'm freaking missing it. Sorry. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Here, I'll stand still. There it goes. I'm really sorry for not getting that scene, guys. I really am. God. And the camera lens take a long time to zoom in. Oh my god. What was that Piper? Or whatever that plane is. We'll just get filming of it. That thing went far. Alright guys, here we go. He finally got in the van. Or wow, the van. The airplane. He finally got in the airplane. Here we go. Oh wait, he just opened shit. I was gonna say, I'm like, I don't want to film. I'll just turn around. Oh look! Oh. Okay guys, I do apologize. I just want to get that plane. So he should be good now. There's another plane that just landed. It's that freaking Piper. There it is. Piper just landed. Yahoo! Sorry. I'm in a really good mood, guys. It's a really nice day today. And I'm in a wonderful mood. It is my birthday, so for those of you that don't know, I'm the big 2-6 today. Oh my god, I'm old. And I'm in a good mood because I finally have AT&T and not stupid Verizon. Woohoo! I don't actually mind advertising my carrier, but I gotta be careful of what I say because... Do you guys see the flaps? Sorry. Because there could be like a representative from Verizon watching this video and they're like, oh my god, what a mean person. But no, Verizon's good, it's just that they're a little pricey. Watch that Piper taxi, I'll go ahead and zoom in more. Sorry, guys. I really do apologize. I'm going to try to cut out the boring parts in this video as much as possible. Goes the Piper. Well, I don't even know if that's a Piper or not. I'm assuming it is. That's the one that was up in the air. Come on there. I know you're hiding. There you are. There we go. In a few minutes, you should hear the Cessna 172 start. Oh, and there's another plane. Is that a Remos that's coming? I could have sworn. Oh shit, I think it is a freaking Remos. Hold on. I think there is a Remos coming in this way too. Oh my god, the Piper's coming this fucking way? Shit, sorry guys. Oh my god! There's a good Instagram photo right there. I don't want to film the pilot, but there it is. It's why it's shut down. Oh, look, guys. Oh, that's cool. The Cessna just started. Now we're getting action going on, guys. Let's watch this one. The Piper shut it off, or whatever that plane is. Now we're going to watch the Cessna. Let's cut here for a minute. Alright, here we go. This is a full part, guys. Here it goes. Looks like this guy's trying to gain hours or something because he's by himself. Good for him. That's how I'm going to be doing it, guys. I'm going to gain my hours that way. Just grab the plane and just fly for a little bit. And then, yeah, that's about it. Oh! Freaking Remos! Oh god, okay, sorry guys. Oh my god, I should shut up. Shut up, Maria, shut up. Oh my god. Like, I'm in such a good mood, I even shouted Remos pretty loud. And people are like, what is she doing? But that is the plane that I fly, is a Remos. Oh my god. That's probably my flight instructor. He's like, there she is with the camera. Oh god, I just love the Remos plane, guys. It is like the best aircraft ever. I fly those and I do a really good job. Come on, damn camera, zoom in. Whoa, the plane started. That's 933 Lima Alpha. If you guys remember the barbecue video at Simply Fly, that plane was in the hangar and it was taken apart, and look where it's at now. Maybe it had like an engine problem or something, I don't know. There's the plane, let's watch that one take off. Sorry guys, I don't mean to film like that, it's my hand that's hurting. Apologize in advance, guys. Not a lot is going on here. Only that's kind of weird because today's a nice day, although there is a little bit of wind. But yeah, let's watch 933 LA take off. So I apologize for the shakes. You know, I always keep saying to myself I'm going to bring a tripod here, and yet I keep forgetting. So, but I think I'm going to go ahead and pack the tripod next time because I really think I'm going to need it for this airport. Getting too distracted with this guy right here. Sorry. And again, do apologize for my swearing here. I am sorry. Try to cut all the foul words out of the video. Because some people could get offended with me swearing. I usually don't swear, but I'm in such a good mood that I like have to swear. So, but I'll try to control it. Oh my god, I think that Piper's getting ready to take off. No, it's not. Okay, I think there's a guy coming in this way. Hold on. I don't want to film him. That's the Piper pilot. Hold on. Can't see now. Hold on, guys. Alright. He's gone. Let's go ahead and do it. Come on, camera, focus. Thank you. Sorry, guys. I hate autofocus. At least this camera's more professional than the other ones, so we gotta think positive. Shit, my hand's getting really tired. I'm sorry. I feel like somebody's like watching me. Oh, whoa, what's going on? There we go. Guys, I'm sorry for the shakes that I'm doing right now. My hand is trying to hold the camera still, but it keeps shaking. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best to keep it still. Oh, I just heard something. God, my hand is about to give up. Oh my god. Okay, good, it's moving. My hand's about to give up. My god, it's coming towards me. Oh my god. Guys, I'm going to try to get a couple of scenes for this video, or for the end of the video, from my flight today. I'm going to ask my instructor to film me or something like that. Because I know that I've had comments of people saying that they really like that, so we're going to go ahead and do so in a minute. Or in a minute. I don't have a flight till 7, sorry. And there he goes. Oh, guys, my camera battery is about to die. I just realized it went to 1. So if we have any more plane spotting to do from now on, it's going to be on the other camera because the battery is dying. But I'm going to keep the camera recording for now because I have a feeling it's going to take off on this runway. I'm hoping it does, at least. I'm going to take a picture of this plane real quick for Instagram. There we go. I don't know where that plane went, I swear. Maybe he went this way. Let's see. I hear like a charter jet. Hold on, guys. Yeah, I don't know where that plane went. Do you guys see him anywhere? Because I can't see my viewfinder too well. Look at this plane. Holy shit. I should get another picture for Insta. hear a plane somewhere, guys, but I don't know where the heck it is. I swear to God I hear a plane. I hear it. Guys, I think it's coming out of Simply Fly, but I'm not sure though. Yes, it is. Holy shit. Yes, it is. There it is. Stupid camera, will you freaking focus already? Let me see if I can get a good shot for you guys. It's actually a freaking jet. Alright guys, here we go. Let me get a shot for you guys. And then after this part, guys, I'm going to take over on the other camera because this one's about out of battery, so... We might hear its engines purr, guys. Should probably put my phone in my pocket because I don't want my new phone to get ruined right now. So... Alright, guys, let me just zoom out a little bit so the camera won't be as shaky. Oh, I swear to God, there's the jet. Oh, it's going to go on that runway for sure. There it is. There's the jet. Guys, it's gonna take off. Just hope this camera battery can take it because it's so low. Yeah, we're gonna watch it take off and then I think I'm gonna go and do the JA scene. Or it's kind of 15 minutes early, isn't it? Then I might just come back here and just hang out for a bit because it's too early for me to go to Simply Fly. Yeah. Sorry. I think he's waiting to get the okay from the tower. I think he's going to start to move soon. Yeah, guys, I gotta remember next time I come here I have to bring a tripod. I seriously cannot go without a tripod here. It's just like a requirement. Guys, I'm really debating if I should keep recording or I should go in my backpack and grab the other camera. I really am debating. I should have had it ready in my pocket. I didn't know that this was going to happen. Okay, guys, I think he's getting ready now, so I'm going to zoom out. And then as soon as he takes off, guys, I swear to God, I'm going to go ahead and point the camera this way. Get ready for his takeoff. And I'm going to shut up now so you guys can hear. Alright, so here we go. Oh, looks like it's a little plane. I thought it was a jet. It's a small plane. Oh, that's the Cessna we were trying to follow. Hold on. Alright, so shh. Here we go, guys. Here it comes. He's airborne. Nice takeoff. Alright guys, and that's his takeoff. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to switch cameras because I do need to have a certain amount of battery left in order to transfer the files to my MacBook Air. So from now on, guys, if we do any kind of plane spotting, that including the bathroom scene, we're going to take over on the Samsung HMX W300. I'm just going to go park at that table real quick. I'm going to go pick it up, and it's about 6:20, so we're doing pretty okay on time here. So in about an hour, about 45 minutes or so, we should be good to go, but yeah. So Guys, I really do apologize for switching to a crappy camera if anything happens. It's only because I didn't charge this last time. And I did use this camera quite a lot last time at the Milwaukee event. So yeah, but we are now going to take over in the Samsung HMX W300. Oh, fuck. I didn't know the jet... Okay, shit. Good thing I didn't stop recording. There's the jet. There goes the jet. Did you guys see the jet? Sorry, guys. Wow, that was a nice take. There he goes, airborne. Oh, yeah. That was cool. The jet took off. Alright, and now taking over with the other camera. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have currently taken over on the other camera. My other camera did run out of battery, unfortunately, so now I have to take over on the shaky one. So I'm really sorry. Okay, here we go. JA bathroom scene. Once again, we'll be right back. Peace. This automatic soap pump. Look at that, they even have to shoot. Look at that. Look, they even have Clorox wipes. It smells like cinnamon. Peace. Alright, let's get out of here before they catch us doing this. So I'll explain something to you guys in a minute. Alright, here we go. Okay, I guess Alright guys, sorry about that. The only reason why I try to get out of the bathroom is so fast. Alright, let me cut to another part. Alright, so here we go with the outro. So, yeah, guys, I don't know. Like, I know I booked flights for all next month, but I don't remember the exact days when I booked it. But I do have flights booked for all next month, so that would mean 4 episodes, hopefully. If nothing changes. So, I'll go home and look at my calendar and see when my next flight lesson is, guys, and I'll let you guys know in an iPhone video. So, yeah, because there's plenty of episodes to come this summer. So, yeah, in case if I do not roll, I will see you in next week's episode, coming soon to Maria Hidos. If I do roll, I'll go ahead and roll the camera. But, yeah, until then, peace.